guys, welcome back to my channel, and the video for today is we gonna do unboxing. So I order and I do shopping online from Temu. Temu is my first time. SHEIN and Amazon. So come on guys, let's see and what it look like to order online. So I don't know what kind of product or quality that they have. So this is the first time that I order. So come on guys, let's discover this one. So first thing that I'm gonna do is, because I have a lot here, 2, 4, 6. So first thing that I'm gonna do is this box. I'm gonna put this one there for a while because I don't wanna break my tabletop glass. So the first one that I have to do is this one because it's kind of heavy. So let's see what is this. I did a shopping haul, online shopping haul guys. So let's see, hopefully is good. And this is the first one that I'm gonna have. Oh, this is my tablecloths. So I ordered these 10 pieces because we gonna have party. We're gonna have our annual Christmas party every hopefully it's good. Every first week of December here in our house. Oh, okay, it's cool. So this is the one guys, and this is 10 pieces. So this one, so actually the quality is not bad. So I wanna show it to you guys. So this is nice. Oh, this is the first time that I order online. So let's see, I will fold it later. So this one is a 10 pieces. So I have enough for my party, as I believe I have 6 tables and 4 tables for the food and dessert. So I don't want to do one by one guys because this is the same. So as I know is this is 10 pieces, but I like it. I like it what it comes that guys. So it's good quality also, because actually I'm so scared to shop online because every time that I go shopping, either small, large, or the quality is not good. But this time for the tablecloth I did not disappoint. And this is the second one guys, but I don't know what is it. I forgot what I ordered. So because I've been ordering a lot, I'm preparing for my Christmas party, that's why. Oh, this is for the fruit. Oh, I love it. Look at this. Hopefully it's a good quality as well, because I want this is with the handle. Because guys, we gonna have upcoming is we gonna do our first camping with our puppy love. So oh, it's cool. This is for the foods. So I put that. Sorry, I'm gonna make a mess here in my closet. because I cannot do it in the living room or in my dining table because of my puppy. So this is perfect. I love it. Okay guys, now 2 down. I love it. I think for the stuff at the house or the party is good, but let's see. I'm just gonna put it there. And by the way guys, I love the handle, and wow, it's cool. And this one is the divider of the fruits. Any kind of fruits, you're gonna put it here, and this is the whole thing. So if you want big fruits to put it here, it's just this one. So it's look like is 2-in-1. So this is perfect for our camping or even at the party. I'm gonna put some fruits here. So another one guys. Actually guys, this is from Temu. So I have, as I believe, is like around $100 free products, but I need to pay, I believe I pay like $60. Oh my god, it doesn't disappoint me at all. Wow, this is the gold knife. Oh wow, spoon and forks. So I order slowly guys because of our Christmas party. So this is the one guys, and it's this is the napkin, and this is the one that I love. Wow, the plates. For the dessert plates. Wow guys, I did not disappoint this time. It's a good quality also. And the cups. So as I believe I need it more. I think I'm waiting more for the party. So at least next time I'm not gonna rush with buying stuff. We have some stuff already because it's been like 2 years now for our annual, 3 years for our annual Christmas party. So guys, I love it. So I'm gonna put it back, this one here for now, because I have more to do unboxing. So this is the partner guys. Oh my god. And this one is for Amazon. So all of that stuff is about for the Christmas party. Even it's only August right now. August to September. But I start buying some stuff already. And this one, oh, there you go. So this one guys is from the Amazon. It's not from Temu. But actually the Temu doesn't disappoint me this time about the products that they send it to me. So let's see this one. Oh, this is the string. And let's see this one. Oh, it's not too big. There, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So, wow, I love it. Look at that. So this is gonna be at the side of it's a background for our food or dessert. So this one, guys, I love how the way it's look like. Oh my god, I need to pull this. So I love it, and there's have a string also. So at least, because actually this one is on sale. Supposed to be is $25, but now is like $11. It's a 50% off. So that's why I grab it right away. Even the Christmas is still far. Because you know what? If you buy stuff like 3 months before Christmas, is cheaper. So sometimes it's after Christmas you have to buy stuff already for the following year Christmas, but that's fine. This one is 50% off. So let's see, this one is another one for Amazon. Let's see, I don't really remember what I've been ordered. Oh, this is cool. So another one, guys, I think this is 2 for Christmas. Because I think I need 4 more for this, but let's see. Oh, it's a small one. I want the big one. Oh, okay. This is small only, guys. So now I know. That's why it's a little bit cheaper. As I believe this one is $10. The other one is $11. And let's see the other. Because I want the bigger one. But it's a nice decorations also. So I need to buy more. And then I have another one, guys. So let's see how big it is. So I think next time I have to order like the garage size. This one is, the design is, I believe it's like, okay, with the dog design, but it's still the same size. So now I know the next time that I'm gonna order is a garage Christmas decoration. So that is bigger because I want the big one for our 2 sliding door at the back, at the patio. So I will clean it up that. This one, guys, last one but not the least is this one is from SHEIN. So I tried to open this already, but I'm kind of disappointed for their material. So I want to show it to you guys. This one is, I think I'm just gonna give us a gift. But this is actually the dress that I ordered. So size small, but it's still big for me. And sorry to say, but the material is not good. So this one is from SHEIN. And this one, the other one that I'm so excited about, but it's a big disappointment. So I opened this already and I don't like the one that I seen, because in the pictures is look very nice, but this one is not. So look at that. Look how thin it is, and I don't know. I don't like the material. And it's not as the same as the picture that they put it there. So this is the one, guys. This is the last one, but not the least. So this is from the first one is from Temu. I love their product that they send it to me from Christmas or for my Christmas party. And the second one is for Amazon. So it's look like, I think I misread the measurement. So it's kind of small for me, so I need to order another one. And then this is for SHEIN, but I don't really like at all. So this is my review for my online shopping haul. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like it, my video. See you soon. By the way, guys, every Wednesday I always promote my channel, and Monday is about food, restaurant, and whatever we cook here in our house. Wednesday is a fashion vlog, unboxing, shopping online, and collection here in my closet. Friday is about travels, adventures, hotels, as well as restaurant and concert. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you liked my video. See you soon.